Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this is where we discuss everything about the stock market action through the day. Today, a quick wrap up of what has really happened, the stocks that were in focus, the sectors that were on top of the game in today's trading session, and how did the overall benchmarks and the broader indices close today. So let's start off with the benchmarks, the Sensex and the Nifty. Good day and a good start to this week. The markets, in fact, hit a 3 week high, extending the gains for the third trading session as well, logging in fact, their first weekly climb in 3 weeks on Friday. We've continued that run even today. In fact, if you see, looking at the bull run and going on in the global markets as well, and on the expectations of subdued U.S. inflation greater in this week as well, that's all led to the good mood across the sentiments. If you see in the Indian markets today, Sensex, in fact, climbed about 321 points or half a percent up to shut shop at 60,115. The Nifty 50 index also jumped about 100 points or just about half a percent in trade to close the day above that 17,900 mark. Well, all eyes are on whether and how soon will Nifty now climb that 18,000 peak that we've been waiting for quite a long time. Now, of course, what also led to the boost in sentiments today was the domestic stocks continuing to get the capital inflows. The foreign institutional investors have been net buyers to the tune of 2,130 odd crore rupees on Friday, and they have been on a buying spree in the last 1 month too. A fall in the oil prices also buoyed the shares in India, which is the third largest oil importer in the world. So gains from a decrease in those prices also has led to lower the imported inflation. And the data will come out in the evening, and we'll get to know how inflation has fared in this last 2 months as well. When you talk about the likelihood of more interest rate increases in the US and Europe, all of those concerns about the demand in the wake of China's implementation of COVID-19 limitations definitely has caused the crude oil prices to decline, which definitely has been in favor for the Indian markets too. Although, on the one hand, we are looking at some of the experts really cautioning about the steep valuations that the markets are trading at, looking at the sharp run up in the last 2 months. But the technical experts do believe that if the markets continue to hold on to this sentiment and if the FIs continue to pour in money, there's no stopping getting some record high levels going for the Indian stock markets as well. Apart from this, if you look at some of the key highlights in today's trading session, you would notice that apart from the Nifty and the Sensex, the broader markets were also seen gaining in trend. The Nifty Bank was up by 0.4% at 40,574. The topmost gainer on the index today was Adani Ports, that jumped 3.5%. The weaker stock on the index, or the biggest loser right there, was Coal India. The best performing sector right from the word go today was definitely the IT sector. Brokerage houses are again coming back and looking at positively on this tech space as well. 1.5% uptick for the Nifty IT today. The FMCG index was also in the green. I mean, we did see all the sectors shut shop in the green. So among the slow movers, it was the FMCG pack that was just up about zero point 0.1 or 0.2% in trade. Now, what are the experts really making of this move? Well, experts do believe that going forward from here, we have to see that 17,850 is the crucial support level for the markets. Now, if the markets slip below that, if the Nifty slips below that, then the selling pressure could increase, and we could actually see the Nifty slipping back again to those 17,700 levels. But there is a high possibility that 18,000 and 18,100 could be on the radar as well, as most of the experts have been pointing out. Now, broader markets also continue to do well with the large caps, however, seeing a rotational booking of profits as well. That's leading to Nifty to, slowly crawl it on its way up as well. So, crucial resistance for the Nifty at this point would be 17,992 as per technical experts. Now, once that level gets crossed, 18,000 could be just a given as well. So, that's as far as the market wrap up of the day is concerned. We'll keep you posted with everything that's buzzing on the street and all the news flows from the world of business. So do stay tuned on to Business Today TV. Don't go anywhere, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get all those updates going on your screens too. Thanks a lot for tuning in for now.